Hello everybody, welcome back to Malia's studio. And as you can see from the ingredients in front of me, if you can see them, I still don't know, we're going to be using Elmer's clear glue and Elmer's magical liquid. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone, especially Elmer's. So I already put the glue in the bowl, so I think we're ready to go on and add the Elmer's magical liquid. As you can see, right there. So how I like to measure it, I don't like to use measuring cups. I like to just add cups as in capfuls, I guess, capfuls. I don't know. So I'm just gonna pour that in there and close that. There we go. All of the magical liquid has been mixed in. Time to add a little bit more. I'm just going to add a little bit of the capful, and we're going to mix it to see how far that goes, to see if we need the full cap. Because it's already becoming pretty well. I personally think it's doing pretty well. There we go. I am so mad right now. The Elmer's magical liquid, I don't think we need any more. So the Elmer's magical liquid, stinks. It smells so bad. I don't know if it's just me, because I tend to have a really sensitive nose. So it might just be me, but I don't know. It just smells really bad. I don't know. It just smells really bad to me. I don't know what it is. It stinks. I don't know what to say. It just smells so bad. But back to the slime, our main focus in this video. Our main focus in this video, the slime. I think it is actually starting to form pretty well. And I didn't add as much magical liquid as I normally do, just to test it out, and I think it went pretty well. Just a thought. Okay, so yeah, I think it's pretty good. I'm always afraid to need new slime, because it's all wet and weird. So we're gonna move this out of the way and try to knead this. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm kind of just playing around with it. And honestly, it's not as sticky as I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna move the bowl out of the way so that we can pay more attention to the slime. I think this is going pretty well. For the amount of magical liquid I added, I think this is going pretty well. Because like I said before, I have never added this much magical liquid. I normally add way more. So, yeah. I normally add like a lot more. Just saying. So, yeah. What was that? Don't ask. People in the comments, don't ask. I don't know. What is this? What is this? This. Okay. While we are kneading this slime, I think it is a good time to mention something that has been happening off the camera. And I feel like we should really mention this. And if there's noise in the background, I am so very sorry. My uncle is over, and my uncle and my dad are like very close. They're like best friends, so they might yell a little bit. So I'm so very sorry if they make a lot of noise. So yeah, back to the slime. But if you, I need to tell you guys something that has been happening off the camera. Okay, nothing's been happening off the camera. I just need to tell you guys my message. This is so cool. Okay, my message is always like my videos. That's my message for the day. Yep. How inspirational, Malia. How inspirational now. That was beautiful. Encore. Okay, that was a joke. But for real, I really want you guys to like this video, and if you have not, subscribe. And 3, 2, 2.5, 2 3/4, 2 1/4, 1. Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you like this video? Comment I liked and subscribed. And did you subscribe and hit post notifications? This slime is turning out really well, especially like I keep on reiterating the amount of magical liquid that I used. And I didn't really make a lot of slime because this morning I made some slime, and since this is clear slime too, I was thinking for the video I could just make some more clear slime so that I can add it to the batch that I made this morning, because it really was about this much. That's why I didn't make that much, so that it could be double its size. It's really not that sticky anymore. I feel like I did a really good job, and I feel like this video is a really good video. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys really liked it, and I hope you guys didn't forget to subscribe. In case you forgot, I'm just reminding you, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, the slime isn't fully yet kneaded, but I'm just gonna do something that I really want to do. I do it with every slime that I make, except for the one that I made this morning. I wanted to do the first one with the, I wanted to do it with the slime that I made this morning after I added the slime that I made just now. But I'm getting a little bit anxious, so yeah. What we're gonna do? We are gonna poop. I made a poop. Okay, let me make another poop and show it in front of the camera, because you guys probably didn't see that. Probably didn't see that poop. That poop. That poop, 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 poop. Okay, there we go. We have made our clear slime, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did making it and making the slime. And yeah, I really hope you like this video. Subscribe and comment that I liked and subscribed, and you might get a shout out in my next video. And don't forget to always keep up with my blog, Life of Leah. I will probably leave the link in the description in case I forget, which I probably will. If I don't, then I'll probably answer one of your comments, and when answering them, I'll answer it, and I'll also do the like, because you know me, I'm good, I'm great, I'm amazing at forgetting things. And yeah, and just a little heads up, I might not be able to film next weekend. Just a little heads up, because I'm going on a Thanksgiving trip from Tuesday to Friday, and after that, I'm just gonna want to unwind from on Saturday, and then on Sunday I'm gonna have to do my Sunday cleaning because I clean every Sunday. I already cleaned my room, my bathroom, and the kitchen and everything. So yeah, I don't clean the living room or my parents' room. They clean the living room and their room. Well, my dad cleans the living room and my mom cleans their room and their bathroom and their closet. So yeah, while I was talking about all of that, the slime became very well needed, and honestly, with the air bubbles, it kind of makes a pearlescent color. When it's all mixed together, it kind of looks a little bit pearlescent. You guys might not be able to see the pearlescentness through the camera lens, but it is pretty pearlescent, and I really like it. So, yeah. Bye, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment. I liked and subscribed, and to like and subscribe. Bye. Love you guys so much. Bye.